We're talking about function inverses, and we want to find and verify inverse of nonlinear functions. So example 4, consider the functions below, find the inverse, and determine whether the inverse is a function. So we're going to continue to use our same steps here. First step is replace f of x with y. So y equals 2x cubed plus 1. Next step, replace the x and the y. So then we get 2y cubed plus 1. And then last step is solve for y. So we can subtract 1. And then we divide by 2. And then we can take the cube root of both sides. So the function, the inverse of the function, is the cube root of x minus 1 over 2. So we found the inverse and then determine whether the inverse is a function. In this case, the inverse is a function because we're taking the cube root. It's an odd radical here, so this is a function. We can take a look at the example here for b, and we'll go through our process again. Replace f of x with y. Then switch or interchange x and y. So x goes here, y goes there. And then solve to get y by itself. So we divide by 32. And then in order to get rid of that radical, or get rid of that power, we have to take the radical to the same. So we take the fifth root of both sides. And we can take the fifth root of both sides. So our function ends up becoming the fifth root of x over 2. And we notice that we have an odd radical here, or so that does say that f of s, or the inverse of the function, is a function.